Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is not Mr. Sofido Tech here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add videos in your playlist. So what you are going to do right now is that we are going to use our mobile phone to do this. So what you are going to do right now is that you are going to head over to your YouTube app. Once it opens, then tap on your profile. Once your profile open, just scroll up, you will see your videos. Click on it. As you can see, these are our videos. Then what you have to do right now is that you will look by the right of each and every one of the video. Just choose any video that you want to add to a particular playlist. What you are going to do is that you are going to see these three dots over here. For example, let's see this first one that said how to create YouTube playlist. Let's say we want to add it to a particular playlist. What we are going to do right now is that we're going to select this three dots by the right, click on it. Once you click on it, the first thing you will see is save the playlist. So what you're going to do is that you are going to click on that save the playlist. Once it opens, then here are the list of playlists that I have on my channel. So what you're going to do is that you're going to select anywhere. Maybe you can select more than one or two. Anywhere you want that video to locate, any playlist you want it to be in, you can select it. But if you don't, if there is no any playlist here that you want to add the video, what you're going to do is that you are going to see this place that say new playlist. Just click on it, and here you need to name your playlist. Maybe, for example, YouTube. Let's just say, for my case, let's just say YouTube playlist, for example. Then here you need to select whether you want your playlist to go public or you want it to be private, or you can select unlisted. Means that anyone that you sent the link of that playlist, you will be able to view the videos that you put in. So you can select any one of them that suits you. For my case right now, I'm going to leave it private, then hit on create. Once you have created it, then come back and select the video again. Click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, click on save the playlist, and here right now you will see that our playlist that we just created, YouTube playlist. You just click on it, then you select it and click done, and you are done. Automatically our video has been added to a particular playlist. That is how you can successfully add your videos to playlist. And this particular strategy is the same thing when you are using your Chrome browser. It's the same process that you can take. Just for each video you will see these three dots. When you click on it, then you add it to playlist. That's very simple. So guys, that is the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and if you are new to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a helpful tutorial video, you will get notified. Thank you, and see you in the next video.